Okay, here. It's going to make a right triangle, for sure. Okay, promise you. So let's read carefully. 3 people are sitting on a bus. Albert is directly behind Kathleen. Watch what I'm going to do. Okay, Kathleen, this is one of my points. Albert is another point. And directly left of Vince. Okay, so watch. I'm going to leave myself space. So I'm going to make my first point here. Now notice I'm not putting it here. I'm not putting it here. I'm putting it in a place where I can go any direction. So I'm going to say, this is Kathleen. I'm going to call it K. Albert is directly behind Kathleen. So I'm going to say, look, this is the front of the bus. Okay, so if Albert's behind Kathleen, Albert is here. Right, he's sitting behind Kathleen on the bus. Here's the front of the bus, that way. Okay, so he's behind Kathleen. Albert is behind Kathleen and left of Vince. Okay, so Albert is left of Vince. So that means Vince is to Albert's right. This is like tricky wording. Okay, so let's read it again and make sure this makes sense. Albert is directly behind Kathleen and left of Vince. Yep, this looks good. Okay, look, I'm going to just move this A so I can draw the triangle without going over it. So here is my right triangle. Okay, look, there's a right angle right here, right? Here's Kathleen, here's Vince. If Kathleen and Albert are 6 feet apart and Vince and Kathleen are 10 feet apart, what is the distance between Albert and Vince? Okay, that's my X. So now, I'm going to use the Pythagorean theorem. Okay, I need to identify what my C is. This is C right here. It's the longest side. Look, let's call this A and B. Okay, so I have my A, B, and C. So A, 6 squared plus B squared equals C squared. Okay, so 36. And look, it just so happens it's actually the same as this one, right? In terms of the math. So I subtract 36. I get x squared equals 64, and when I square root, I get x equals 8. So the distance between Albert and Vince, look, we were talking about feet. This is 8 feet.